afraid my hot tub days are over,
Oh,
but
no.
otherwise, party in Laurel Canyon.
Do you want to interview first, or what?
Go ahead, pop in with the questions. We'll go back and forth.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So we're here with the Love Project and Revolution. Yes, it's for youth engaged in service,
Oh,
and
good.
we're inspiring kids to make a difference in the world.
Great.
Through
Good for-
service and projects, and we've
all
got a
for
lot of
that.
teen celebrities involved, and just want to find out what causes you like.
Wow. Well, all kinds of things. First of all, I think it'd be wonderful for people building houses in New Orleans. Since Katrina, there's been some wonderful work done there. A lot of groups go down there, and Habitat, the Habitat for Humanity are really working. Whoa, what's happening here?
We're getting
But
pictures
also, AIDS Project LA has always been a big one for me too.
Fantastic. And what does freedom mean to you?
Wow. God, that's so big. Nothing left to lose, I guess, as Chris Christopherson would say. Just another word for nothing left to lose.
That's great. And can you just say hi to all the kids out there and parents that are
Right there?
Oh, right here.
That one.
And just state your name, and I love to support causes and keep up the good work you're speaking to our community.
Okay. Hi, I'm Bruce Davison, and I'm really proud that you guys are out there giving your best. And I look forward to you changing the world, because we've messed it up.
And Bruce, while you are still here, of course, I have some more light and fluffy questions to ask
good,
you.
okay.
Such as, I'm so glad to see you put together after you kind of melt and change in all different dimensions.
I know. Well, that's what happened. I just sort of turned into a gelatinous bag. I kept trying to tell Bryan Singer, this is X-Men we're talking
Oh,
about.
that's right, in case you were curious. You didn't watch X-Men? Shame on you.
But I kept saying, why can't I just go down a drain and pop up in the toilet down the road in another episode? So you never know. I may puddle back in the future.
You never know what can happen when you can change shapes like that.
And you melt.
So what are you looking forward to this Oscar Sunday the most?
Oh, wow. Well, I'm so glad that two of my close friends, Jeremy Renner and Jeff Bridges, are both nominated this year. It's tough to be in competition. It always is, but it's wonderful that you get that opportunity, and they'll be nominees for the rest of their lives.
Well, and whichever friend wins, you will be happy for... Oh, actually, you're happy for both of them.
I'm happy they've already won.
Okay. And would you like to say anything out there, of course? Oh, actually, we could say something to Monty Bubbles. Monty Bubbles is our chair dog.
Oh,
what would you... She is. Yes. What would you say to a chair dog?
I would say, I love you, Monty.
Oh,
don't lick my face.
That's great. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi, how are you?
You're not talking to this.
We already did that.